20 surprising beauty uses for coconut oil. We all know that the commercial hygiene and cosmetic products contain high amounts of harmful toxins and chemicals, which are usually absorbed into your skin, and through the skin they make their way into your bloodstream. According to the latest statistics, 1 in 8 of the 82,000 ingredients used in personal care products are industrial chemicals such as carcinogens, pesticides, reproductive toxins, and hormone disruptors. The bad thing is that even famous natural skincare brands like Burt's Bees and Lush also use ingredients, which are known allergens, hormone disruptors, and they can cause organ system toxicity. But you shouldn't be worried, because there are natural alternatives, which are much safer and more effective than these harmful commercial hygiene and cosmetic products. One of these healthy and natural alternatives is coconut oil. In this video we are going to show you 20 awesome ways to use this super healthy ingredient. 1. Massage oil. Did you know that the coconut oil is the perfect ingredient to be used as a massage oil? Well, yes, it's because of its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, which make this oil the perfect tool for soothing sore muscles. So the next time when you are massaging someone, just use some coconut oil. You will be amazed by the results. 2. Toothpaste. We all know that the commercial toothpaste products contain fluoride, all types of preservatives and coloring compounds. Many studies have found that coconut oil contains enzymes, which are very useful and beneficial for better oral health and prevent tooth decay. Did you know that you can make your own homemade vegan toothpaste? 3. Insect repellent. This oil is also very useful in repelling insects. Coconut oil repels mosquitoes and other annoying insects. You just have to mix coconut oil with some rosemary and lemongrass. This type of mixture can be as effective as chemical repellents such as DEET. Well, yes, and you should also know that coconut oil can relieve the pain and itch of bug bites. Amazing, right? 4. Lip balm. You can use coconut oil instead of chapstick or Vaseline, which contain toxic ingredients and they don't actually hydrate your lips. So just apply some coconut oil on your lips. It will nourish them and make them soft. 5. Stretch mark prevention. Many women use this type of oil to hydrate their skin and prevent stretch marks while they are pregnant. Here's what you need to do: just apply some coconut oil directly on your skin 4 times every day. You need to rub it gently and let it soak up. You will be amazed by the results. 6. Tattoo healing. Many tattoo artists from different countries in the world suggest that you should use a thin layer of antibiotic or vitamin E cream for the first few days after getting a tattoo. Well, they can prevent infection, but you should also know that these creams can leach out your fresh ink and distort your tattoo. So instead of these creams and antibiotics, you can use some coconut oil. Your tattoo will heal much faster and it will nourish your skin as well. 7. Heal burns. You should also know that coconut oil boosts the healing process of burns, especially sunburns. Coconut oil can also prevent infection and minimize scars by boosting collagen production. So if you get a sunburn, then you should try this remedy. You will be amazed by the results. 8. Deodorant. This super healthy oil has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means that this oil is very useful and beneficial in preventing body odor by killing bad bacteria that beef up moisture and produce smelly pits. Did you know that coconut oil is the main ingredient in all natural aluminum-free deodorants? 9. Fight dandruff. What is dandruff? It's a scalp condition which can be caused by dry skin, fungal infection, or autoimmune disorders. This super healthy oil contains 3 different amino acids: caprylic acid, capric acid, and lauric acid. Each of these acids are effective against candida yeast. You should also know that these acids hydrate the scalp and relieve inflammation. Here's what you need to do: just apply some coconut oil on your skin and massage your scalp very gently. You should leave it overnight and rinse it off in the morning with shampoo and warm water. 10. Body scrub. Here's how to make the best all-natural body scrub. Just mix 2 tablespoons of sea salt or raw sugar and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. How to use it: you need to use it in the shower on wet skin and rinse thoroughly. 11. Eyelash conditioner. It's always a good idea to nourish the roots of your eyelashes if you use a lot of cosmetic products such as mascara, eyeliner, or fake lashes. This is a good idea if you want to keep them full and long and to slow down the hair loss process. Here's what you need to do: just rub some coconut oil between your fingers and apply to your lashes before you go to sleep. You should do this treatment for at least 1 week. You will be amazed by the results. 12. Nail strengthener. Did you know that your nails can get bristle and dry just like your hair? Well, yes, and you should also know that nutrition is the most important element of nail health. It's always a good idea to hydrate them during the dry season, This is extremely important if you wash your nails or if you spend a lot of time outside. Here's what you need to do: just rub some coconut oil on each nail and wait until it's absorbed by your body. 13. Makeup remover. Did you know that coconut oil is also very useful in removing the stubborn waterproof makeup, even eyeliner and mascara? Here's what you need to do: just apply some coconut oil on a cotton pad and wipe it over the makeup you wish to remove. Then you should rinse it with water and a soap, and apply skin moisturizer. 14. Facial moisturizer. This super healthy oil can help you fight against acne-causing bacteria without clogging your pores. Coconut oil also minimizes the appearance of pores and face acne scars. 15. Aftershave. This oil is also very useful in relieving razor-burn skin. Here's what you need to do: just apply some coconut oil on the problematic area and it will soothe the irritated skin. You can also use this oil as a shaving cream. Here's what you need to do: just mix 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of shea butter and 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Mix them well, let it harden and whip until it has the consistency of frosting. 16. Sunscreen. Did you know that coconut oil actually protects your skin from the harmful UV rays? The coconut oil has a natural SPF of 2 to 8, which can go as high as 40-50 if it's combined with carrot seed oil or raspberry seed oil. 17. Cuticle cream. You can also prevent cuticle injury by softening them with warm water. Then you need to push them back and massage them with this super healthy oil. You will be amazed by the results. 18. Hair treatment. As we said before, this super healthy oil is very useful and effective for your hair and scalp health. Coconut oil is very useful for split ends and brittle hair. This homemade coconut oil mask will also slow down the hair loss process. Here's what you need to do: just apply 2 tablespoons of coconut oil on your scalp and work it through your hair until the tips are saturated. Then you should cover it with a shower cap and leave it overnight. When you wake up in the morning, you need to shampoo your hair thoroughly and condition with apple cider vinegar. You should repeat this method every week if you want to get the best results. 19. Eye cream. Did you know that you can use this super healthy oil to remove the dark circles under your eyes? Well, yes, just apply some coconut oil under your eyes and rub it gently. Coconut oil also reduces puffiness and swelling under the eyes. 20. Wrinkle cream. Coconut is also very useful in strengthening your skin and it slows down the skin aging process. Just apply some coconut oil on the affected area, rub it gently, and you will be amazed by the results. As you can see, the super healthy oil can provide many health benefits. Why wasting money on those expensive cosmetic products when you have this cheap natural alternative instead? Just go to the local health store and buy yourself 3 jars with coconut oil. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.